Matt back at Elroy Machining. I've been working on my mill. I got the motors installed, doing some tuning, a little bit of testing with some wood, some MDF. I actually made a tool rack for my NMTV 30 quick change tooling out of MDF, and it actually came out pretty good. Alright, so here's the tool rack. It is made out of a piece of 12 by 18 MDF. The holes were bored out with a 1/2 inch tooth flute, and then the bores on the inside, I did a 3D toolpath with a ball end mill to get the right taper. So as of right now, I don't have any way to store my tools, but now I have a way to keep them all standing up straight. And here you can see that it's got a counter bore of 200 thou deep. The taper is from the counter bore down, and it just fits in there, just perfect. And I can now store my tools without fear of them falling or getting chipped. Alright, so now you see that I got a place to keep all my tools. Is eventually going to go on instead of keeping it on that, I'm going to make some feet to go on it, and it will live on top of the machine cabinet. Doing good. Alright, so if you enjoyed this, make sure to like and comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one.